What you doing, Phil? Huh? Try and keep my hands steady. You gonna fly away yet? Huh?
I guess he still wants us. I guess he's not gonna fly away.
Bird moves, head doesn't. Bird move, head doesn't. Bird move, head doesn't.
He's not moving.
Yeah. What are you gonna do? You gonna fly away yet? Huh?
I guess he wants us. Because he
Nah, it's probably still just a little dazed from running into the window. Yeah?
Oh wait, that bird nest. Can I?
No, we're not gonna put, they don't do that. They don't just sit in other birds' nests. Those nests are done. They're only for 1 year, most of the time.
Okay.
What you gotta do, Phil? Hi.
Make sure to don't touch his bottom.
Oh, it's alright. Yeah? You see the camera? You're a pretty birdie.
I think it's a girl.
I don't know. What you gonna do? You gonna fly away yet? Huh?
I don't think
No?
so.
Okay, well... Oh, I feel him starting to jump a little bit. Come on. Woo! There you go. It's okay. You gonna get off? Huh? Yay, you're standing now. Good. There we go.
Oh my god.
All right. Come on. Get away from the house. Come on, honey. There we are. Up into the tree.
That's like a woodpecker.
Yep.